Hi, this is Kiri. Welcome to the Very Kiri channel. We talk about lots of art things. We do art things, but we also talk about Jesus a bit too because, he's a big deal and I love him so much. Today, I wanted to just I actually filmed something. It's so hard for me to just get my camera out and record when I'm making. So usually it's just hey, look at this thing I made. You're not gonna always see the process of it. So sorry. But today, you get to watch the process, a little bit of our bathroom curtains. Let me explain. So our bathroom before looked like this. Very yellow, all yellow and black. And, the sink, there's this vanity thing. It was cute, but it just did not function well for our family, okay? We've got a cat, and her cat box was in that bathroom. And so, my kids were just, using the cat box to, step up to the sink. And it was just, I really hated it. After living in this house for almost 4 years, we finally just did it. So we took out the vanity, we repainted the whole thing, and I think it looks really nice. It's very calming. It's not so I love the color yellow. Obviously, I love a color statement, but in a bathroom, it's just not the vibe we're looking for. So painted it blue and a nice creamy white color, and gave some fun little organic designs on there. Going to add some fun little details later, but my husband cut out a countertop, put in a new sink, so then we could have everything underneath for the cute little cat box. But obviously you don't want to be looking at the cat box, right? I don't know if you do, you boo, but I don't really like looking at and smelling my cat's box. It's fine. I found this. I was searching for some type of curtain that would go with it, and I just wasn't really finding anything. Things are a little limited here up in Alaska. And I looked at, where did I look first? I think I checked out Walmart. I looked on Amazon a little bit and was just not really finding what I wanted. Then I went to Target, wasn't really finding anything in the curtains. And then in the clearance at the end of an aisle was this super cute beach towel. I was like, I like these colors. They kind of go with the vibe. It was not blue. It was a corally pink color, but it's really cute. So here it is. Please enjoy watching me make it. All I really did was, well, I guess I'll tell you in the, the voiceover of the videos. But yeah, so it's just super fun. And I thought it would be easy to clean, right? If I needed to throw it in the washing machine, I can just throw it in the washing machine and not really worry about it too much because it's a cute towel. Let's watch all the things.
Second guess me, live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company. Within our company.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you not that you're going to be using my bathroom anytime soon, unless you know me personally and you live nearby or something. No, I'm going to be enjoying my bathroom, and I'm super excited about how it turns out, and can't wait to start the next little project for it. I have a bunch of seashells that we collected in Homer, along with this cute little guy. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Just a cute little crab shell. Oh, that's not even his face. There's his face. Beep. Yeah. So I am going to essentially take this thing that I have that I just did not have on the wall. It's one of my favorite scriptures. It's Psalms 139:14. For I am fearfully and wonderfully made, right? It's great, but we're going to do something else with it. We're going to put a bunch of seashells on this and repaint it and DIY that, and hopefully I will actually get the process of it so we can make some more videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to follow along, hit subscribe. You can always leave a nice comment. If you leave a mean comment, I will probably just delete it or ignore it. So that's up to you. But yeah, thanks for joining along, and I guess we'll see you next time.